क्या खाऊं? What to eat? What to eat? कुछ हल्का खा लो. Eat something light. Eat something light. फल खा लो. Have some fruits. Have some fruits. जो मन हो वो खा लो. Eat what you feel like. Eat what you feel like. कहाँ बैठूं? Where to sit? Where to sit? यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. Sit here. खिड़की के पास बैठो. Sit near the window. Sit near the window. क्या खरीदूं? What to buy? What to buy? सब्जियां ले आओ. Get some vegetables. Get some vegetables. ज़रूरी सामान खरीद लो. Buy the essentials. Buy the essentials. कुछ मत खरीदना. Don't buy anything. Don't buy anything. माफ़ी किस बात की मांगूं? What to say sorry for? What to say sorry for? देर से जवाब देने के लिए. For replying late. For replying late. तुमसे जो गलती हुई उसके लिए. For the mistake you made. For the mistake you made. कब उठूं? When to wake up. When to wake up. सुबह 6 बजे. At 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. तुम्हें जल्दी उठने की ज़रूरत है. You need to wake up early. You need to wake up early. छुट्टी है, देर से उठो. It's a holiday, wake up late. It's a holiday, wake up late. मदद कैसे करूं? How to help. How to help. बस वहां रहो. Just be there. Just be there. पूछो और मदद करो. Ask and help. Ask and help. इसे कहाँ रखूं? Where to kept it? Where to kept it? मेज पर रख दो. Keep it on the table. Keep it on the table. अलमारी में रखो. Put it in the cupboard. Put it in the cupboard. जहाँ पहले था वहीं रखो. Put it where it was earlier. Put it where it was earlier. किससे पूछूं? Whom to ask? Whom to ask? टीचर से पूछो. Ask the teacher. Ask the teacher. सीनियर से पूछो. Ask the senior. Ask the senior. किसी भरोसेमंद से पूछो. Ask someone trustworthy. Ask someone trustworthy. क्या लिखूं? What to write? What to write? अपने नाम से शुरू करो. Start with your name. Start with your name. जो सोचा है वो लिखो. Write what you have thought. Write what you have thought. सच्चाई लिखो. Write the truth. Write the truth. कैसे जाऊं? How to go? How to go? पैदल जाओ. Go by walking. Go by walking. बस पकड़ लो। टेक अ बस, टेक अ बस। किसी से लिफ्ट ले लो। टेक अ लिफ्ट फ्रॉम समवन, टेक अ लिफ्ट फ्रॉम समवन। अब क्या करूं? What to do now? What to do now? थोड़ा आराम कर लो। Take some rest, take some rest। पहले ज़रूरी काम निपटा लो। Finish the important work first, finish the important work first। कैसे जवाब दूं? How to reply, how to reply। विनम्रता से जवाब दो। Reply politely, reply politely। क्या करूं? What to do, what to do। शांत रहो और सोचो। Stay calm and think, stay calm and think। जो सही लगे वही करो। Do what feels right, do what feels right। किसी से मदद मांग लो। Ask someone for help, ask someone for help। कहाँ जाऊं? Where to go, where to go। घर चले जाओ। Go home, go home। जाओ किसी दोस्त से मिल लो। Go meet a friend, go meet a friend। शांत जगह पर चले जाओ। Go to a peaceful place, go to a peaceful place। क्या कहूँ? What to say, what to say। सच बोल दो। Just tell the truth, just tell the truth। जो दिल में है वो कह दो। Say what's in your heart, say what's in your heart। कुछ मत कहो, चुप रहो। Don't say anything, just stay silent, don't say anything, just stay silent। कब जाऊं? When to go, when to go। अभी चले जाओ। Go right now, go right now। थोड़ी देर में जाना। Go after some time, go after some time। जब सब तैयार हो तब जाना। Go when everyone is ready, go when everyone is ready। कब आऊं? When to come, when to come। सुबह आ जाना। Come in the morning, come in the morning। जब मैं बुलाऊं तब आना। Come when I call you, come when I call you। कैसे कहूं? How to say, how to say। धीरे और साफ बोलो। Speak slowly and clearly, speak slowly and clearly। सरल शब्दों में कहो। Say it in simple words, say it in simple words। क्या पहनूं? What to wear, what to wear। पार्टी है, कुछ अच्छा पहनो। It's a party, wear something nice, it's a party, wear something nice। मौसम के हिसाब से पहनो। Dress according to the weather, dress according to the weather। जो आरामदायक है वही पहनो। Wear whatever feels comfortable, wear whatever feels comfortable। क्यों जाऊं? Why to go? Why to go? आप कुछ नया सीखोगे. You'll learn something new. You'll learn something new. ये एक अच्छा मौका है. It's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. वो एक सुंदर जगह है. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. क्या पढ़ूं? What to read? What to read? किताब पढ़ो. Read a book. Read a book. पढ़ाई का सिलेबस देखो. Check the study syllabus. Check the study syllabus. एक अच्छी कहानी की किताब पढ़ो. Read a good story book. Read a good story book. किससे मिलो? Whom to meet? Whom to meet? टीचर से मिलो. Meet the teacher. Meet the teacher. जिसने बुलाया है उससे मिलो. Meet the one who called you. Meet the one who called you. कब जाऊं? When to go? When to go? अभी चले जाओ. Go right now. Go right now. अगले हफ्ते जाओ. Go next week. Go next week. शाम को जाओ. Go in the evening. Go in the evening. कैसे कहूँ? How to tell? How to tell? साफ साफ कहो. Say it clearly. Say it clearly. धीरे से समझाओ. Explain it gently. Explain it gently. हिचकिचाओ मत, बस बोल दो. Don't hesitate, just say it. Don't hesitate, just say it.